Yeah. We are back on another video. This time we're going to go to Badagwan, which is basically a whole area with like European like architecture and like style kind of like buildings, and you know what I'm saying. That's also here in Qingdao. We're just by the sea. There are like some boats over there. There are like some warships there. I actually saw also like a submarine or something. And we're just from the pier on that place. And you guys can already see some of the buildings here have like European style kind of like architecture. All right. So we're gonna go. Ah, hello. Oh, I again met my friends again. All right. Yeah. Okay. So let me see. I think it's already 1 p.m. so I need to find a place to actually eat. But walking from here to the place I'm going is gonna take me like 30 minutes. So that's actually crazy. But yeah, let's go and see. Here we are at the Qingdao Old Town. Basically on my way to Badagwan, which is basically the place with the like European architecture and stuff. So we're gonna go to the Qingdao Old Town maybe first, and then we can go to the other place later. I was gonna get a taxi, but there's really no need. I can just go to all these two places. I think 40 minutes, 1 hour is fine, and we can call it a really nice day. That'll be around 2 p.m. and then I just get my lunch in. So we've just walked about like maybe 10 minutes and just arrived at the boats. A lot of these boats you can pay to just get inside and go around for like 50 minutes or 1 hour. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys to see the style of boats they have here. And the last video we had gone to that place over there, the pier, and it's right in the downtown area of the city actually. Yeah, Qingdao is a really beautiful place for sure. Okay, if you go see somewhere there far down right there, you can see a submarine on that part, and this is just like a normal park. Normal park just here, and yeah, right here. This is basically the entrance. Why do they say open to public? Qingdao Bay Pier. This is the place. All right, I think this is open to the public, so yeah, I'm also part of the public, right? Let me go and see what's up here, but I hope it's a beautiful, nice place. This is on my way to the old town and European like structure place. I can already see some of the buildings. Actually, there's a coffee shop up there. So, ni hao. Wow, this is a beautiful place. Let's go upstairs first. These are the stairs. Okay. All right. Really beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. My God. Where can you find this in? Wow, this is beautiful. So nice. That's the European architecture I was telling you guys. Let me zoom in, and basically you can see all of that there. That's part of the Qingdao like old town. And let me zoom out and look at this beautiful place. So far, just right there, there's a submarine and some warships. Wow, wow, wow. This is so beautiful, man. This is at the top. This is at the top of ship or like a boat, I think, because it's a little bit also like moving and stuff. This is an open space, right? Open space. So in the summer, there will be some restaurants here. We can see a coffee, like a coffee place. Wow, this is so nice. This is so beautiful, actually. So, risk of falling into the water. This is so beautiful. Look at the birds there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just the birds. Look at the boats. The weather today is just good. You can wear like a normal jacket. You can even wear a vest, basically. And wow, bro, submarines are huge. This is the first time I'm seeing a real submarine. Wow, those things are huge, man. You guys can't believe this. That's big. That's really big, actually. Damn. Wow. These are the coordinates of the place I'm at. Some of you who can get the exact location. Zhanqiao. So, Zhanqiao is this building, the one we had in our past video. Basically that one right there. Let me zoom in. Okay. All right, that's the building right there. That's the Qingdao Pier. The stretches. It stretches basically right from the city, right there, and it goes all the way until there. So that's Qingdao. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. I feel like this is a place you can just come and chill, sit down. You guys already get what I'm saying. Like, there's no crazy vibes like this, you know what I'm saying? It's just chill. And this is in January, right? Today is January 12th, 1 p.m. And I'm at the Qingdao Bay Pier, right? Chill vibe, nice. And yeah, I feel like this is one of the best times to travel before the holidays. Because trust me, in the spring holidays, there will be so many. Everyone comes to Qingdao, everyone goes to Xi'an, and a couple of cities that are very, very famous. So I feel like this is the best choice to just travel now. And this is right under the place where, like on top, Qingdao Creative Products and Souvenirs. There's basically all kinds of souvenirs. Like average price is like 25, 20 RMB. So this is the place. The place we were just at was upstairs, and this is like downstairs. Always open to the public. Okay. We even have Messi here, bro. That's crazy. We have like some anime characters, anime, and like sharks and all that kind of stuff. The boats and everything. This is so cute. This is so good. There's also like a restaurant. So this is basically on a boat. Yeah, it's very huge. Very huge. Some places where you like win dolls and all that kind of stuff. Okay, cool. And the power banks. Actually, my phone is almost going off, so I don't know where I'm gonna get my power bank. Reason, because these are not working. The power banks here are not working. Oh, I need to find a place ASAP. Good. So this is a special gourmet food warehouse, and you can buy like some juice here. Average price is like 13 RMB, 14, 18. If you come in the summer, basically just to freshen up. Wow, wow, wow. So cool. Yeah. Just have your boat, come and chill in one of the best cities in the country. Who wouldn't want that? Who wouldn't? Of course, everyone would. We just came from that side, and This is some of like the European kind of like architecture. These look like houses, like these Italian kind of like houses, right? We have some pretty cool. This is like a community, but they also build it in that kind of like way. I told you in Qingdao, you'll always find these kinds of taps everywhere for like beer and stuff. Look at this. Yeah, same kind of like styles. It's a few cities in China where you'll find this kind of like European architecture. I think also in Tianjin, you might find some, where else? I'm thinking. Basically, most cities that are close to the sea, a lot of them had like all these kind of like missionaries, and is it missionaries? I don't know. But basically there were so many Europeans who used to live in most cities that were close to the sea and ports in like the ancient times. So they kind of influenced some of the early like architecture around here. It's a pretty big area actually. Pretty big area. So I think I have to go up this side. These are the kinds of houses that are there. This is pretty cool. These are like real normal houses actually. So we're still just going around, still going to the Badakwan, and right there, that's a building. I think that's like the, is it PLA Marine Museum here in Qingdao. And basically you can go there to see like the submarines, the war helicopters, and the warships and everything. And it's closed today on Monday. So I just asked and they told me tomorrow on Tuesday it will be open, and I just have to take my passport. If you want to like get inside, of course you have to show like your like identification. Get me? So yeah. And I asked him how much. The security guard said it's free. Like you don't actually have to like pay anything. So that's pretty cool. But I don't know if I'm gonna be in Qingdao tomorrow. Maybe some other time, but if I'm here tomorrow, then I'll definitely come and take some videos inside. It's a pretty cool place because they show basically everything about the military here. The helicopters. Ni hao. Yeah. Nice people, like. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go there though, but if I'm still in Qingdao, I'll go there, of course.